Okay, here we have the built version that I've just completed of the RC Giant Robot based on the original prototype design in the piece of paper. I'll put links to those videos down below if you want to see more on that. And I've got to get the remote here where I can reach it. We should be able to walk forward. Well, we could walk forward, except I pushed the button that says attack. Let's try pushing the button that says walk forward. Okay, then we should be able to turn. Let's turn the other way. And let's walk forward again. Now let's attack again. So there we have it. The RC Giant Robot, which was just a concept piece initially, and I was able to 3D print the motorized leg section. The metal body and head are all part of the original concept, so I didn't have to make those, but I did have to, of course, mechanize the attack and light the eyes and put the RC equipment inside there. It's an electromechanical design, which is sort of like old pinball technology, but I'll put links to the other videos down below. It's a very interesting device, and it was cool to finally see their concept built into an actual working toy.